This dough is the beginning of a vegan ube cheese pandesal, which is a fun variation of the quintessential Filipino bread roll. But it's not the only vegan pastry you'll find at this iconic San and Wolves bakery, the only vegan Filipino bake shop in Southern California. I'm Eunice, and I'm gonna run over to this bakery and tell you more about their story. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm currently running 3 miles to San and Wolves Bakery in Long Beach, California. And when they first opened up, they took this place by storm. People were lining up around the block, waiting for hours for vegan Filipino pastries. And you're probably wondering, Eunice, why are you running? So it's January 2026, and I know fitness is usually top of mind for a lot of people. And I wanted to show you guys that you can make exercise fun and not overwhelming. I obviously like to run, and I like to treat myself to vegan bakeries, as you can see sometimes. So I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Train Well, because they are a personalized remote coaching app. They customize whatever workout you want. So let me tell you more about it. Train Well is a one-on-one remote accountability app with a real person, not AI. So when you take the survey, when you sign up, they match you with a person based on your needs and your wants and your goals. It was so fun talking to my trainer the first session because it felt like we were friends and she really understood what my goals were. I signed up for strength training and mobility. And even though I work out 4 times a week and I thought that, hey, I'm getting all the training in all my muscles, when I told her I wanted to work on quads and glutes, the first workout kicked my butt and I was sore the next day. And I was like, I thought I was working out these areas, but clearly I needed more accountability and a different customized workout to reach my goals. So I've been loving it. These fun runs are listed as extras. You can customize it any way you want. Tell them when you're traveling so that way they know and can customize something for you, whether you have a gym or don't have a gym. I highly recommend, if this is something that you want to look into for leveling up your fitness for 2026, check out the Trainwell app in the description below. But for now, let's get to trying this bakery. All right, there it is. We made it. Now let's go inside and learn more about their story. Let's go.
Hi, Arvin here at San and Wolves Bake Shop, one of the co-owners. The other owner is Kim, and reason why Kim and I started this bakery is because she's vegan, been vegan since she was a teenager, and we just felt like there wasn't any places to go for vegan Filipino baked goods or pastries. And then one day she just made pan de coco, which is the very first pastry we came out with, and it tasted just like how we used to eat it growing up, and then that's how this started.
The bakery opens at 7:30 a.m. and the sanctions go out early, which is just a sign of how popular this neighborhood bakery has become. The bakers wake up as early as 3 a.m. to begin preparing the pastries this neighborhood has grown to love. One of them is ube cheese pandesal, a soft ube dough carefully rolled, shaped, cut and weighed, all before being filled with a creme ube spread and vegan cheddar. Then wrapped and topped with a light sprinkle of sugar for that perfect sweet and savory bite. But they're also known for having other incredible pastries like ube coffee cake, calamansi marble loaf, buko pop-tarts, pies and cakes, and 3 different kinds of cinnamon rolls. But which one's Arvin's favorite?
This is my favorite pastry. It's pandesal, and it's a sweet dinner roll, but basically it's a traditional bread item in the Philippines.
They also brew coffee beans from the Philippines and have really cool custom merch. But on that note, it was time for me to place my order to give them a try.
Thank you. All right, so I got my pastries now, so I'm gonna go home and give them a try. So I brought everything home now. I got the strawberry bibinka, ube cheese pandesal, calamansi marble loaf, pan de coco, and Spanish bread. All right, the taste test is about to commence. You guys, I don't even know where to begin. These all look amazing. I haven't tried any of these except for just this one. This one I like, I've had it, but all the rest of these are new, so I'm really excited. The bibinka is a traditional Filipino pastry. This is an OG. It's served on a plantain leaf and it's made from rice flour, so it's got like a chewy texture. So let's break it apart right here so you guys can see it up close and personal. Oh my gosh, look at that texture. All right, I'm already excited. Oh my gosh, I know why I love this so much. Hold on, let me get a sip of my coffee because this is very important. Oh, the texture. The minute I had a bite, it reminded me of Salvadorian quesadilla. Quesadilla is made with rice flour, so it has that nice chewy texture, but it's still like cake. Next up is pan de coco. This is their original. This was what inspired them to want to create this bakery because they were like, this tastes just like home. Oh my gosh, look at the inside of that. Oh yeah. There are gonna be crumbs all over my table. It's okay. It's a good problem to have. I saw them making some of these in the back earlier today, which was kind of cool. I absolutely love the ube coconut shavings. If you love coconut, you will love this. I'm a huge coconut fan, so I'm definitely loving this. If you know, you know. Spanish bread. Okay, I've never had this before, but let's do the honors right here. Does this ever get old with anybody breaking the bread? It doesn't ever for me, so. Okay, it's not cream filled. It has some, no, there's something sweet in there. This is almost like a pandesal, but sweeter, if that makes sense. It's not cream filled, I thought it was, but I think it has like a sweet filling in there that makes the inside sweet and it's coated with like some sugar. I'm gonna warm this one up because I feel like this needs to be warmed up. Okay, the reason the calamansi marble loaf caught my eye was because I love lemon loaf, okay? And calamansi is like a lime, right? It's gonna have that sweetness, that tart flavor that we all love if you love lemon loaf, but the sweetness also, so I'm gonna give this a try. Let's break it up here. This is a winner. This is a good one with coffee. It has that like lemony flavor. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Last but not least, the ube cheese pandesal. Oh yeah, this is amazing. In the back, they were making these and they were filling them with vegan cheddar cheese. Oh my gosh. And none of these pastries are super sweet. So that's something good to know. And it's not like it's gonna be super savory or anything, but Wait, I can't believe I haven't done this yet. You gotta dip your bread in your coffee. A little sweet, a little savory. The bread, the texture of the bread alone is worth it to go and try all these pastries out. These are all delicious. For sure the bibinka, that one stole my heart. That was a nice little present surprise. This is gonna be a new favorite. And the calamansi lemon loaf for sure, those are my top two out of all these. The pan de coco too. And the Spanish bread is good, but because it's less on the sweet side, I think I prefer the other ones. But again, this one's really good. I think it's gonna be really good warmed up, like straight out of the toaster oven. So if you guys have ever been curious about vegan Filipino pastries, I highly recommend that you check out Sand and Wolves Bakery in Long Beach, California. I have loved this experience. I never grew up with a lot of Filipino communities, so it wasn't until I moved here to the Los Angeles area that I've gotten exposed and gotten to learn so much of the food and the culture. And it's been great, and it's like a way of traveling even in your own home, right? So if you're ever in this area, make sure to check them out. A lot of their customers are not vegan, and they love it. It does resemble like what they grew up with or other bakeries that they've been to. So you know they're doing a good job. If Filipinos go to this bakery, they're doing something right. I highly recommend, give it a try. Tell me which one your favorite is. And again, if you want to try Trainwell, make sure to check out the description below and check out the link. I'll catch you guys next time on Rated V. Bye.